Just downloaded Wells Fargo app or got logged out on a new phone. Here's exactly how to log in step by step under 30 seconds, and everything is shown on the screen. First, download the Wells Fargo mobile app from the App Store. Search Wells Fargo mobile app and tap Get to install it. Once installed, open the app. On the first screen, tap Sign in. On the next screen, enter your Wells Fargo's username. Then enter your password. This is the username you choose when you first set up online banking with Wells Fargo, not your email address. Then enter your password. On the following screen, tap Sign in once entered everything. Wells Fargo will send a one-time passcode to your registered phone number or email address for security verification. Go to your messages or email and find the code from Wells Fargo. Come back to the app and enter it. Tap submit, and now you are logged in and your accounts, balances and transaction history all will appear. If Face ID is enabled for Wells Fargo in your phone settings, you can skip the username and password next time. Just open the app, look at the screen. So all you gotta do is open Wells Fargo, tap sign in, enter username and password, enter the one-time code,